Do you want to delete messages on Twitter X? You can delete messages on X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To delete messages on your X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the messages icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open your direct messages section. Now, tap on the conversation where the message is located. Scroll and find the message you want to delete. Press and hold the message for a few seconds. A menu with different options will appear on your screen. Now, tap on Delete for me. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure. Tap Delete again to confirm. The message will be removed from your conversation. You can repeat the same steps to delete other messages if needed.